Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this 4-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station. Has a built-in power bank, detachable stand for MagSafe iPhones. For iPhone, the watch, earphones. It's foldable, 20-watt fast charging, all-in-one, 100 milliamps. Here's more specs. And the same verbiage. So here we go. Just open all these here. Okay, so we have card, go-to key, welcome guide. There's the power bank. Okay, so it has some pins here so it can charge. You can also stand it up somehow. Yep. Here's some more information. There's USB-C, I guess that's in and out, and then the wireless charging ports. Yeah, and then here's USB-C to USB-C cable. First off, comes with a charger. This one is, you can see the specs there. 0.6 amps max output, 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 2.22 amp, 12 volt, 1.5 amps. Uses USB-C. Another thing here. There's an adapter that you can plug into the stand to charge your Apple Watch. And here's the stand itself. So as you see, the pins are here. The way it works is you slide this in. You have to slide it in. Okay. Hold it like that. And then underneath, I'm sure you can see, there's a charging charging mats. It does not stay in. Okay. No click mechanism, slips out. And then on this side we have USB-C that we can plug in for Apple Watch. Has a plug here for charging, and then here's another port for charging your USB-C devices. And yeah, so you just put like use your phone, put it here. See, it holds it pretty well. As long as it's MagSafe compatible, you can use it. Excuse me. There you go. That is it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help to support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.